Hey everybody, welcome to another DIY auto video DIY. Today we're going to be replacing the mass airflow sensor on our 2001 BMW 740iL. If your mass airflow sensor is going bad, what it does is it measures the amount of air going into your engine, which the car uses to calculate the air-fuel ratio. So if your sensor is going bad, your car is going to run bad. So it's a pretty quick job to replace it, and we'll show you how. And one money-saving tip is you can buy a Volkswagen mass airflow sensor. It has the same sensor as a BMW, but a different housing, and it's quite a bit cheaper. But to remove the sensor, you need these special tamper-resistant star bit sets, because it's an odd bit. So make sure you get that before you attempt this. The actual bit size is a T25 star bit. So just take it out of the Volkswagen housing. You gotta unclip the stock sensor, so just squeeze in on the sides and this should come off. There you go. BMW uses a 6-point Torx tamper resistant, 5-point versus 6-point, so you'll have to make sure to get each of those. So pull it out. It's old versus new. So very close. So now we have our sensor in. Make sure the round portion of the plug is on the filter side, while the square portion is on the engine side. So now we just have to screw them back in. Plug it in. Okay, should be good to go. So we'll start the car, see if anything bad happens. So it seems good. It usually takes a car 10 to 15 minutes to relearn everything. So just give it some time and you should be running great. Good job. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out DIYauto.com for more DIYs and build threads. Or join the community and show off your own ride. Thanks for watching.